Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw perfect shapes on your iPhone or iPad. It's actually really simple to do. All you have to do is go over to your photos and click on a picture that you want to add shapes to. For example, I'm just going to grab this picture of this tree, for example. All you have to do once you're on your photos application is just click on edit. And then once you're on edit, just go back to the top right corner again and click on the circle with the 3 dots. And then you'll see this option called markup. Just go ahead and click on markup. And then once you're on here, all you have to do is click on the pen or drawing tool that you want to use. So let's just say I want this pen. You can then click on the diameter or thickness, and then you can go ahead and choose a color. So I'll just choose red, so it's really, really easy to see. Once you're done doing that, you can exit out of here. And once you've chosen your color and everything like that, all you have to do is start to draw. So now what you want to do is when you're drawing, do not take your finger off the screen once you're done drawing. Just leave your finger on the screen. I'll show you guys what I mean. So let's just say if I do like a circle right here, and leave my finger on the screen, it will then correct my circle with a perfect circle. Same thing if I do like a square up here. If I did a quick square, keep holding on the screen, you guys can see my old one is kind of under it, but then the new one is on top of it. And if you let go, it leaves that one there. So it does work with triangles as well. Very, very cool. So it's a lot easier to do perfect shapes on your phone like this. So let's just say if I were to go around the tree as well, I can do that. Just like that. So it's really, really cool, really easy to do. And obviously, once you're done here, you can go ahead and click on done, and then it will save your photo. Very, very easy. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do perfect shapes on your iPhone or iPads. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.